to the doctor English can be stressful, right? You wanna explain how you feel, but you don't know the right word. What if the doctor asks you a question you don't understand? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll show you a complete doctor visit in English, from making an appointment to talking about your symptoms to getting medicine. You'll learn useful phrases step by step. Let's start.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment with a doctor.
Sure. What's the problem?
I've had a headache and sore throat for a few days.
Okay. The doctor is available tomorrow at 10 a.m. Does that work?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
Please arrive 10 minutes early. See you then.
I'd like to make an appointment. Is the doctor available tomorrow? I've had a headache for a few days.
Hello, please come in. What brings you here today?
Hi, doctor. I don't feel well. I've had a bad headache, sore throat, and sometimes I feel dizzy.
I see. How long have you had these symptoms?
For about 3 or 4 days.
Do you have a fever?
A little bit, yes.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
Are you taking any medicine right now?
Just some painkillers. How long have you had these symptoms? Do you have a fever? Are you taking any medicine? And for the patient, I don't feel well. I feel dizzy. I have a sore throat for 3 days.
Okay, it looks like you have a throat infection. Nothing serious. I'll give you some medicine.
Thank you. How should I take it?
Take one pill twice a day after meals. And drink plenty of water.
Are there any side effects?
You might feel a little sleepy, but that's normal.
Okay. When should I come back?
If you don't feel better in 5 days, please return.
All right. Thank you so much, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
I'll give you some medicine. Take one pill twice a day after meals. Are there any side effects? If you don't feel better, please come back. Now you know how to visit the doctor in English, from making an appointment to explaining your symptoms and getting medicine. Remember, we don't need perfect English. Just simple phrases are enough to communicate. Write in the comments what's one English phrases you would use at the doctor's office. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's learning English. See you next time!